Alright, I got something else cool for you today. This is a first, I think, for this channel, because I don't think I've done one of these before. Today I've got a typewriter, and this isn't just any typewriter, well, to me at least. This might be the most beautiful typewriter I've ever seen in my life. This thing is absolutely, oh, it's just wonderful looking. Nice red base, heavy metal construction. It's not plastic like the other ones that I have from the 70s and 80s. Heavy metal top. The middle bit is plastic. But when I got this, it did not work. It turned on, and I'll show you the one thing that really makes this thing unique in a sec. But it wouldn't do anything, and I found out that there is a belt in here that fell off, and the K key didn't work, and I had to reattach that. Moral of the story, it's totally working now. I got it completely fixed, and I'm actually really proud of how it turned off. And after that, I was thinking, oh, I've got that was easy. Maybe I can fix one of the other ones that I have. And it took like 3 hours, and this black goo got everywhere. Long story short, I'm just going to show you this one. But watch what happens when you turn it on. Wait for it. Oh, come on, please happen. Oops. There we go. The Sears logo lights up. It glows red. How many electric typewriters do you know of that have a light built in? I'd love to know if there's more of them. But here's what it sounds like on. It's definitely better than it was. It was loud before. But this is going to be kind of difficult to do because I've got to hold this in one hand. But this thing's got a weird opening mechanism. You kind of slide it forward and then back. And that's how you can see the carriage inside. You can take these keys off, and you can put the keys in this space for the change of type. One cool feature that this thing has that I can't showcase right now is the power ribbon. So the way this works is basically, I wish more typewriters had this feature. Oh, and here's the belt running in the back. You can see it. That one down, the second one, the one closest, this one had fallen off the reel, and I hope it stays on there. Anyway, but sorry. Basically, what happens is, with the other typewriters, you have to manually rewind these, and later they would actually switch to disposable cartridges. But with this, you would push this power ribbon, and it would automatically re-spool it onto one of the reels. It would go forward or backward. I've got a replacement belt for that right now. That's going to be coming in, and I might showcase it if I can get it working. But it says that it's Sears best, and apparently this was their top-of-the-line model, and this thing does things that none of my other typewriters can do. So let me put this in first. I already typed something, a little spoiler there. But basically, it has a... Oh, come on, work, do the thing. One second. If you put it in, it's got like a paper inject lever, I think, right? Come on, do the thing. Apologies, I was hitting the wrong lever there. I was hitting this, I gotta hit this. Paper inject lever. If you pull that down, it'll go... Oh, sorry. I'm not having a lot of luck with this. I don't use typewriters too often. But there, if you push that lever down, it automatically pulls it through. And then you're good to go. So let's see. Here's what it sounds like. Now here's what it sounds like with the ding. It's not clean, I don't think, so it's just gonna go dunk. Yeah, that was it. Kind of anticlimactic. But, well, actually, let's show the power return. There we go. But it's got a very late 60s. It's from 1968. I don't know if I said that. It's got a very late 60s, almost Austin Powers-ish. Austin Powers-ish design. It's very space age. How there's lines here, and that design is then continued onto the back, and it's got the pink and orange, almost flower power kind of font there. There's the, you can see the light bulb in the back there that glows up. The font is changeable, I think. But I think this is just a wonderful little device. It really is beautiful. It has a protect bar. It's called, or security bar, where basically if you do that, it puts these dots on it, and that way it's hard, like for checks, it's harder to erase, like stuff like that. It's got a carbon copy thing, so it adjusts the power of each stroke, so you can put up to 10 sheets of carbon paper on one page, and if you put up to 10, it's a lot harder. Almost shakes the table with how hard it is. You know what, it's about the same. But it's got a paragraph indent bar, space, half space, repeat. What does that do? Oh, it goes into Rambo mode. Look at that, I've never tried that before. They're hiding in the trees! Get down! That's awesome. It's kind of an annoying door opening mechanism, because the Smith Coronas that these are based on have a very, they slide forward, but this one you gotta pull up, pull back. The one nice thing, though, is that you can use it while it's up, kind of, I think. Yeah, and it just kind of floats over it. Nice clean interior. Well, there it is. 1968 Sears, was it Medalist Power 12? There it is.